Welcome back. This video will review the purpose of the electric parking brake, why resetting it is essential, when to perform the task, and the steps to accomplish it. Let's get started. A parking brake is used to secure a vehicle to prevent it from rolling away. The electric parking brake, EPB, replaces the previous handbrake or foot-operated parking brake. It is an automatic parking brake system that lets the driver apply and release the parking brake by pressing a push button. Resetting the electric parking brake is required in various situations, such as when brake system issues are present, following routine maintenance or repair. The electronic parking brake reset is a procedure or function within a vehicle's electronic control system. It is designed to help users or technicians when replacing components of the electronic parking brake system. The function controls the servo motor, moving the brake piston away from the pads to allow for easy replacement. It is important to note that manually moving brake pistons can lead to potential damage and injuries. After replacing pads and/or discs, the servo motor returns to the starting position. Aligning the brake pistons with the new pads and/or discs and ensuring the electronic parking brake system functions properly after maintenance. Now, let's review the procedures to reset the EPB. The process is generally quick and straightforward. For example, turn on the ignition, then engage and release the electric parking brake using the EPB button. And on most vehicles, you can easily reset the EPB using a scan tool. Just follow the on-screen prompts. In conclusion, resetting the electronic parking brake is critical to ensure proper recalibration and reliable functionality, enhancing the overall safety. Thank you for watching our EPB reset guide. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends. For more helpful information, please subscribe to our channel.